Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Hundreds of people demonstrated in Chad on Friday to demand the withdrawal of French troops from the country, a week after the Central African country ended a military agreement with its former colonizer. In the capital, N'Djamena, protesters chanted, "Chad for us, France out," some holding banners reading, "We don't want to see a single Frenchman in Chad." Last week, Chad announced in a statement that it was ending a defense cooperation agreement with France in order to redefine its strategic partnerships based on national priorities. France has maintained about 1,000 troops in Chad, and the statement did not specify when they would leave. Some protesters went to a military airbase where French soldiers are stationed on Friday and demanded their departure. Others gathered in front of the French embassy, where they faced a heavy security cordon from the Chadian army protecting the embassy. "We no longer want the French presence in Chad," said former Minister of Public Health Dr. Hissène Massar. "This protest will end when the French leave Chad." His interim president, Mohamed Déby Itno, took power after his father, who ruled the country for more than 3 decades, was killed fighting rebels in 2021. Last year, the government announced it was extending the 18-month transition by 2 years, leading to nationwide protests. Chad said the decision to end the agreement in no way called into question its historical ties with France and that it wanted to maintain relations in other areas of common interest. Chad's government is ending a defense cooperation agreement with France, its former colonial ruler, to redefine the nation's sovereignty. The decision marks a historic turning point after the Central African nation gained independence priorities. There was no immediate response from France's government. Chad was one of the last countries in the region in which France maintained a large military presence, having been ousted in recent years from Niger, Mali and Burkina Faso after years of fighting Islamic extremists. Alongside regional troops, those countries have inched closer to opportunity for other nations, notably Russia, Turkey and the United Arab Emirates. Déby has been seeking to diversify its security partnerships away from exclusive deals. He doesn't trust French President Emmanuel Macron. He can also not ignore widespread anti-French sentiment, said Ulf Leising, head of the Sahel program at Konrad Adenauer Foundation in Mali. France has maintained about 1,000 troops in Chad, and the statement didn't specify when they have to leave. Chad said the decision in no way calls into question the country's historical ties and that it wants to maintain relations in other areas of common interest. France still has 350 troops in Senegal, another former colony which remains a security partner in the region. But the French military presence there also appears to be under threat. President Bassirou Diomaye Faye of Senegal said that it was obvious that soon there won't be any French soldiers on Senegalese soil. In an interview with Le Monde, which was published hours after the declaration by Chadian authorities, Faye added that the relationship with the former colonizer had to be redefined. "It's not because the French have been there since the slavery period that it's impossible to do otherwise," he said.